What is going on, guys? It is your boy, your man. Lost my train of thought. It is me, Movie Canyon, uploading once again to the second channel, More Canyon. Let's see what I did there with intelligent stuff. So I don't know why I'm recording right now. What am I doing? So I'm currently studying for Maths 2B Linear Algebra, which is tomorrow. I mean, I have a vague idea of what I'm doing, so I know I'll definitely at least be able to get a mark in the exam, which is definitely a good thing to do. So, yep, I was just, going through question 3 here. Consider, I was not going through question 3, I was actually going through the one below that, which was question 4, sorry. Which of the following matrices is similar to matrix A? So I've narrowed it down to B or C, because they both have the same determinant as A over here. Now, using this theorem that I just copied down, they have the same determinant. So now I need to go through all these other properties here. Let's see, A is invertible, if and only if B is invertible. Well, they both have the same determinant, so they'd both be invertible. That wouldn't help. A and B have the same rank. Rank's a tricky one, so I'm gonna have the same characteristic polynomial. That one sounds easy. Alright, we'll go through and try and figure out the characteristic polynomials of B and C here to find out what our answer is. So what have we got? We got A minus lambda I equals 0. This should be a determinant there. And I'll call the other one B, so it's like we got determinant of B minus lambda I equals 0. So what do we have? So we'll label these 1 and 2 just for simplicity. So we'll start with 1. And I'll expand the first kind of bit. I'll expand the first, which is called row, so that should be positive 5 rather. Positive 5. How do you... I don't even get... Wait, no. These are 2 by 2 matrices. How would you do the characteristic polynomial of... Well, actually, no. Stop. Start again. Alright, I've just scribbled everything out. But no, actually, wait. These are 2 by 2 matrices. I'm an idiot. So just pretend I scribbled none of that out. So A minus lambda I would be like... You'd have this matrix, right? You'd have 5 minus lambda... 0, 0, minus 1 minus lambda, like that. The characteristic polynomial would be 5 minus lambda minus 1 minus lambda. Alright, cool. Now we get 2, right, and we get minus 5 minus lambda 1 minus lambda, which would give us... These have the same characteristic polynomial though, because 5 minus lambda, or minus 5 minus lambda, 1 minus lambda. When you multiply these out, you'll just get the same thing, no? Well, let me try multiplying these out, see what we get. So for 1, we multiply that out, and we get, what do we get here? Minus 5, we just get the same thing, though. Plus lambda squared, and number 2, we always minus 5, plus 5, okay, we wouldn't get the same thing, okay. That'd be positive, negative, whereas this would be positive lambda here. I'm just an imbecile then. Right, now we go calculate the characteristic polynomial of A. This is way too much working to do for a 2-mark question. No way. Well, I guess I don't know. I guess in the exam I wouldn't be recording this, so I would be a little bit more focused. So it would probably take me like a minute in the actual exam. Characteristic polynomial of A over here. Well, I guess I shouldn't call that A then, but it doesn't really matter in the grand scheme of things, does it? Because this is a multiple choice question, so wouldn't really have to show working. Characteristic polynomial, we would have 1 minus lambda 2, 3, that should be a 4 rather, and 3 minus lambda. Let's see, 4 times 2, wait, for 1 minus lambda, 3 minus lambda, 8. Alright, and then multiply this out, 3 minus 1 minus 3, 4 lambda, plus lambda squared, minus 8, 3 minus 8, it should give us minus 5. And this is negative, which is negative up here. Number 1 gives us a negative. Number 1 corresponds to matrix B, so our answer for multiple choice would be B. That is 2 marks. If you check the marking scheme somewhere, it should tell us this is the wrong marking scheme. I just realized. Is it this marking scheme? If you check the marking scheme, what does it say? That's something else. B. We're doing question 4, right? Question 4, the answer is B. 100%. I'm a genius. That's how it's done, kids.